Hey engineers, this is Raji, Tekla trainer from Skills in Academy. Today I will explain you how to place grids in Tekla structures. After opening Tekla structures, go to Edit option, select grid ribbon and right click the mouse in the window. Now you can get that grid in Tekla structures. If you want to modify these grids, you just click that grid. You will get grid properties inside panel. Here you can see X coordinates and Y coordinate, Z coordinate. X coordinates are nothing, it's just a horizontal direction grids. Y coordinates are vertical direction grids and Z coordinates are elevations. You can fill your labels in label field. Now I change this X direction grid values. Now I place 0, 10 feet, 25 feet, 26 feet, 35 feet and 40 feet. I go to modify. Now I get my grids in X direction. I changed my X direction values. Like that you can modify in Y direction and Z direction. Once you complete or once you finish your values in X, Y, Z fields, you just click that grids and you go to create view, create along grid lines. You can get your all grid values in the grid views. Thank you.